Yeah, good evening, guys. So we will discuss about ELK stack, the weather monitoring tool today. So as we have already mentioned, completed Prometheus Grafana. As we have already discussed about Prometheus and Grafana, we are going for another tool called ELK, that is Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana. So this is again similar to Prometheus and Grafana only. Grafana we have Kibana and Logstash and Elasticsearch. That's a new one like Prometheus. Prometheus used to collect and store the data and transfer it to the push it to the visualization tool. Same thing. So here we'll understand the ELK stack. First one is Elasticsearch, which will help you to search and analyze. So it's distribute the search and analytics engine that stores and index data. Index data means where we can able to retrieve the data faster. For that we need indexes like your SQL. Next one, Logstash. Logstash is mainly for data processing pipeline that ingests, transforms, and forwards the log. That means we mainly need this monitoring tool mainly for to check the metrics and the log details and to transform the data or store the data or to push the data. So this Logstash, what it will do, it will collect the data and pass it to the pipeline and forwards to the concern thing, which concern is nothing but this Elasticsearch, because from search Elasticsearch only we are going to analyze the data and we are going to push it to the visualization tools, that is your Kibana. Now Kibana is nothing but a visualization platform mainly for creating interactive dashboards. Interactive dashboard means what, we can able to interact, like yesterday we discussed about the monitoring tool, how we have created through CloudWatch we created the dashboard. Same thing, we can create the dashboard. So now this visualization platform mainly for creating interactive dashboards from Elasticsearch data. So this ELK, this is the all these three will provide you a stack. This is called ELK stack, which provides a complete solution for mainly for searching, analyzing, and visualizing data. Mainly for search the data, analyze the data, and provide a visualization log data in the real time. So mainly it will be used for handling large volume of data structure and unstructured data from multiple sources. So making it ideal for modern distributed system as well. So these three are the main thing. Now Elasticsearch. What is this Elasticsearch? Let us see. So this is also a distributed open source search and analytics engine, mainly built on top of all the Apache Lucene. So mainly it is used for a full text search. So as the name itself says, Elasticsearch. Search means what? We want to search some data. So it will definitely going to be a text data. So we can mention it as full text search, log and event data analytics also. So we can able to have the log, event data analysis also, and real-time analytics across vast data sets. Real-time analytics across vast data sets means we can able to take more number of data. It's not only internal data, we can able to take external data and show it as a visualization also. So think for your Elasticsearch as mainly as a super fast search engine. So the search engine, it's a search engine which is very super fast, mainly for massive amounts of data like Google for your own information. So we can able to have the massive amounts of data also. Google for your own information, we can able to use it. What are the common use cases? So you can able to see search functionality, log analysis, and real-time analytics, and all we can able to get it. It's a powerful search engine, mainly for search features. It have powerful search features that features on e-commerce sites and internal applications also, and the content platform. So we can able to use it for e-commerce sites, internal applications, or content platforms also we can able to use. Mainly it will be able to help you with log analysis also, enabling deep dives into the server logs, application events, and infrastructure metrics also we can able to cover. It'll give you the real-time analytics, mainly providing instant insights for operational monitoring, business intelligence, and performance dashboards. So this is a common use case of Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch is mainly a super fast search engine, as the name itself says. So how it works? First, this data is ingested and stored in the flexible JSON format. First, the JSON format we'll have to download. That it will create the indexes much like your library's catalog to make data easy searchable. So index function, as I told you, it's like your SQL. How in SQL you can able to search, same thing we can able to search, which we can able to make this data, we can able to retrieve the data faster with the help of indices. Next, user interact. Mainly the user will interact with the data through simple RESTful APIs for searching, filtering and aggregating. So mainly users will interact with data through simple RESTful APIs for searching, filtering and aggregating. We can able to use it. Next, Logstash. So Logstash is a data pipeline, as we mentioned in the first line. Logstash is also an open source. All these three are open source only. Mainly this Logstash is for data processing pipeline that mainly collects and transforms and forwards the data from your various sources. So it acts as like the data plumber of the ELK stack, making ensuring your information flows efficiently to its destination. So as you can able to see in this one, it is going to be the mediator. It is going to be the mediator between this Kibana and Elasticsearch. That is your Logstash. I will show you that. That will be in next slide. So what are the tasks it will do? It will mainly collect, ingest data from diverse inputs like system logs, application database. See, monitoring means what we are going to do. What are the things we are going to monitor? Who came? Who? What he do? What are the things is running? How it should be? What is the maintenance and all those things, right? So same thing. Here we can able to ingest data from diverse sources. So it can be logs, applications, or data sets also. Next process, it transforms and filters data, extracting fields or reformatting information also. We can able to reformat the information as well. Forwards, it sends proceeded processed data to storage systems. It's mainly sends the processed data. It will forward the processed data to the storage systems, mainly for Elasticsearch for analysis. Logstash is mainly for flexibly handles both structured and unstructured data. It's not only structured data, unstructured data also, making it crucial for comprehensive log management as well. The next one is Kibana. Kibana is a visualization tool like Grafana. So it's create interactive dashboards. Mainly, we can able to create and share custom dashboards and combining multiple visualizations for comprehensive system views. Multiple tables we can connect. Advanced visualization. We can able to build with pie chart, line graphs, heat maps, geo maps, time series visualization from Elasticsearch data as well. In real-time analysis, monitor systems in real time with auto-refreshing dashboards and alerts on critical thresholds value. So, monitoring system in real time with auto-refreshing dashboards and alerts on critical threshold values you can able to create it. Dev Tools console, mainly it interfaces for directly querying Elasticsearch using its RESTful API and JSON-based query DSL. So here, like in the Prometheus, we have PromQL. Here we have JSON-based DSL. That is domain-specific language. That is your domain-specific language. So Kibana transforms complex data into actionable insights through its intuitive interactive interface, empowering teams to make data-driven decisions quickly. So we can able to take data decisions quickly as well. So mainly this is so Kibana is mainly for a visualization tool. We can able to use it for visualization, but data can be from any source also. You can able to get real time. You can able to track real time analysis also. You can able to say stored data analysis also, and we can able to create multiple dashboards also. So all these things are possible. Next, evolution of the ELK stack. So Elasticsearch was created by Shea Bannon. Mainly this was created in 2010 by Shea Bannon, which is a scalable replacement for Compass. Previously one more tool was there, Compass. For that it was a replacement. Now 2012, Logstash and Kibana developed as a complementary tool mainly for log collection and visualization. Then in 2013, all these components were combined. So all these components are first to Elasticsearch they defined. Then in 2012 they started with Logstash and Kibana. Then they combine everything as ELK stack in 2013, mainly for log management. In 2015, it becomes Elastic.co, which is formed as a company to support and extend the stack capabilities as well. So 2016 to present, now this evolution to Elastic Stack with addition to Beats, which is a lightweight data shipper. So Beats is mainly for what? It will transfer your data faster, like boosting, and machine language features also, machine learning features also. So what began as separate open source projects has evolved into comprehensive observability platforms adopted by organizations worldwide for log management and analytics as well. So this is a history. ELK stack use cases. When we'll be using this ELK? So it's a centralized log management system, which is data collect and analyze logs from distributed systems in a single place, enabling easier troubleshooting and compliance. Security analysis, that's for detect security threats in the real time, because mainly where you want to monitor, because you want to check the security threats, suspicious patterns and anomalies. And application performance monitoring, so track application metrics, errors and transactions traces to identify bottlenecks and optimize performance as well. So business intelligence, analyze customer behavior, transaction patterns and business metrics to drive strategic decisions. We can able to use the CLK not only for log management, it is for security purpose also, applications performance monitoring fully, and business intelligence tools also we can able to use it as a business intelligence tool also. So what are the key takeaways from this topic? So unified observability, ELK provides comprehensive visibility into complex systems through centralized login, centralized logging and monitoring. And next one is create a scalable architecture which handles petabytes of data across distributed environments with horizontal scaling capabilities. Next, DevOps integration. It will also help you to integrate with DevOps to seamlessly fits into modern CI/CD pipelines and infrastructure as a code environment. So as already we have mentioned, Logstash is for the pipeline. So pipeline will push the data from one place to another place. So this is mainly for better search, smarter visualization, and act fast, so faster. Now metrics and log analysis. Metrics and log analysis. So like yesterday we have used this monitoring tool of AWS CloudWatch. Same thing here also we can able to check the metrics and log analysis with the ELK stacks. So we'll dive deep into this, which is making the transformation of raw data into an actionable insights. So end-to-end workflow. What is this end-to-end workflow means? End-to-end ELK workflow. So what is this end-to-end ELK? So mainly it will collect the logs metrics, that is your Logstash. Logs as the name itself says Logstash. It will collect all the log data and metrics, and it will process the data in the pipeline, ingesting logs and metrics from the diverse source across your infrastructure. As the same definition only which I already mentioned, it will collect all the data from all the sources. Next, Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch will provide distributed RESTful search and analytic capabilities for storing and quickly accessing your data. Mainly for Elasticsearch, we can provide distributed RESTful searches also. That means RESTful means get, post, put method. All these methods are called RESTful. Mainly for searching and retrieving the data. Next, visualization tool. As the name also says, Kibana offers intuitive visualization tools, mainly to transform your raw data into a meaningful dashboard and reports we can able to create it with the help of Kibana. So this integration workflow enables powerful monitoring, troubleshooting, and analysis across your entire technology stack. So the main beauty of the CLK stack is like its seamless data flow between components. Data flow between components means between one component to another component. Analyze metrics using Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch forms the analytic backbone. So in out of these three things, which one act as a backbone? Like how in our human body, which backbone is a Like your body, we have backbone, right? Without the backbone or the skull or the muscles, will be able to skeleton, yes, skeleton, will you be able to stand? No. Correct. So same thing here, this elastic surge will act like a backbone, the other two will act like a elastic surge will be work like a backbone. So which will provide you mainly for powerful search and analytics capabilities for your metrics and logs. Mainly the document oriented storage, that is JSON format. So stores data in a flexible JSON format, making it easier to work with structured and semi-structured data from various sources. Also, we can able to work on. Next, real-time search. It delivers lightning fast. It delivers lightning fast search and analytics capabilities, enabling immediate insights from your data stream. You can able to see it will be helping you to get the real-time data also. So it delivers lightning fast search analytic capabilities, enabling immediate insights from your data streams. Next, powerful query, that is DSO query, domain specific language, which offers a comprehensive query domain specific language from for complex data operating and operations and filtering. Next, built-in aggregations. Built-in aggregations, aggregation factors, aggregate operators. So it includes robust aggregation framework specifically designed for time series analysis and metrics processing. So mainly we design for this time series analysis and metric processing. We have to have built-in aggregations as well. Now distributed architectures, mainly it scale horizontal. Distributed means horizontal, it will distribute. So distribute horizontal across multiple nodes to handle growing data volumes and query loads. Also, common use cases: track API response times, monitor resource utilization, analyze performance bottlenecks, and detect anomalies in system metrics as well. So mainly Verandal will be using mainly for monitoring resource utilization, how much resource we are utilizing, how to analyze the power bottleneck performance at the bottleneck situation, and detect the anomalies if any system metrics is breached. Now what are the logs? So Logstash will collect logs using Logstash. So you can able to collect the logs using Logstash. So mainly what are the things you have? The input you see. Ingest data from multiple sources simultaneously. Log files, system logs, database, message queue, cloud services, and network protocols. So from all these things, we can able to get the input. What are the filter options we have? It transforms some structured data, mainly parse unstructured data. Parse means what? Converting into like integer to string, string to integer, like that we can able to convert. That's called parse. Enrich with geo IP. So geolocation tracking, so geo IP locations, IP address, add timestamps and metadata. Also, we can able to add put filter, apply custom transformations as well. Then output, it send processed data to destinations. So output, like in the other modules we see, right? Same thing. So mainly it will go for Elasticsearch only. S3 or other storages, and the output can be stored in the S3 bucket or other monitoring systems or multiple destinations. We can able to give it. That's your Logstash. Visualization query with Kibana. So Kibana is handling nothing but a powerful query capabilities it is having. So it is using the KQL query. That is Kibana's query language, which enables engineers to perform full text searches across all fields. So we can able to search, right? Anyway, we are going to search, so we can able to put full text search across all the fields, filters by exact values or ranges. We can able to put it like the right side thing. You can able to combine multiple conditions with boolean logic. Boolean logic means yes or no. Save and share your queries with the team members. We can able to share it also, like in the cloud watch we try to share it. Next, visualization transforms data into actionable insights. So we can able to create an intuitive interactive dashboard, mainly with real-time updates. We can visualize the metrics with bar chart, line graph, and gadgets. So we can able to create what kind of chart we want. We can able to create it. And map geographic data for spatial analysis. Build custom visualization with we can able to create customized visualizations as well using Kibana. So in the action, what we are going to do, like about how these three things work together. So here you can see, for example, e-commerce website performance scenario. The Logstash ranges logs from the web server access, application error, and database performance metrics, and payment gateways. Logstars can able to send all these log data, payment gateway information, everything. Then processing, we have Elasticsearch, which will have indices and organizers. It requires latency. So this Elasticsearch indices and organizers. So request latency by endpoint. We can able to request latency by endpoint. We can see the error rates, types, user selection information, transaction throughput. Next one is the visualization. So Kibana will explain, it will display the insights, it will display the charts, graphs and everything. Based on that we can able to take insights. So the response type anomalies. So error spikes by service. Based on the spike of the error it will spikes. And conversion funnels. Conversion funnels automated alerts on the threshold value as well. So these are three action things. So from raw logs to actionable insights all in one stack. So how we are going to take actions. First, complete solution ELK provides a full comprehensive framework for log metric analysis, eliminating the need for multiple disparate tools. Mainly we do not have multiple tools. Next, seamless integration. Each component is designed to work perfectly together, creating a smooth data pipeline from collection to visualization. Enterprise ready means we can able to handle enterprise kind of. The scalable architecture mainly supports environments of any size, startups to few Fortune 500 companies with petabytes of data. Also, we can able to transform load. So and give the visualization. Now, this ELK empowers engineers and data scientists to extract meaningful patterns from massive data sets, detect anomalies before they become problem, and build robust monitoring solution for modern distributed systems. Yes, we have completed the conclusion of this slide. We'll go for the next one. Now, ELK on AWS Cloud deploying the Elastic Stack with simplicity and scale. So, as we already know about what is Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana, and everything, we'll be seeing the comments here. So, what is Elastic Cloud on AWS? So, this is mainly related to AWS Kibana. So, Elastic Cloud, which is on AWS, will deliver a fully managed Elastic Stack experience. So this is, as we already mentioned, this is an enterprise-grade solution which eliminates the complexity of manually installing, configuring, and maintaining your search analytical features as well. So ELK Stacks is a complete Elasticsearch, Logstash, and Kibana environment mainly managed by Elastic Co experts and AWS marketplace integration. It will also seamless procurement, billing and deployment through your existing AWS account. We can able to do it. Zero operational overhead. So no manual installation, patching, or scaling. Zero operation overhead, as we already mentioned, no manual installation, patching, or scaling requirement for this production upload. It will do it by themselves. It will do by itself. Now, why use ELK on AWS? So organizations choose ELK, that is Elastic Cloud on AWS, to mainly to accelerate their search, observability, and security initiatives without sacrificing control or performance. We can able to check it. So simplified setup, it is easy to set up. So deploy production ready customers clusters in minutes, manage the infrastructure that eliminates complex configuration tasks. Auto scaling should dynamically adjust all the resources to handle large data volumes and traffic spikes without service interruptions. So integrated security. So enterprise grade integrated setups. Yes, there's an enterprise grade encryption backup access control that integrates with the AEM comprehensive protections. Will be able to do it. Will be able. It will happen. AWS service integrations. What are the services we can combine? EC2, S3, Lambda, CloudWatch, and other AWS services for seamless data flow also. Key components in Elasticsearch. So finally, is key component is Elasticsearch. Mainly, it's a fully managed search analytics engine that stores data and powers lightning fast queries at petabytes of scale also. Next, Kibana, it's mainly for so hosted visualization platform mainly for exploring, analyzing, and creating interactive dashboard from your Elasticsearch data. We can able to use it mainly for visualization. Next, Beats Logstash. So Beats I already mentioned data speed up. Next, data collection and transformation tools that ingest logs and metrics from the AWS resources with purpose built integration. With purpose built integration. Next, what are the common use cases on AWS? Mainly, these Elasticsearch excels across diverse AWS environments, delivering actionable insights for operation. Actionable insights, we have to take action based on the insight. So, operation, security, and business also. Log aggregation, such as centralized and analyzed logs from EC2 instances, EC2 containers, CloudTrail, CloudTrail audit events for comprehensive visibility. We can able to use CloudTrail because CloudTrail only is storing all the 15 months of data. So reduce the MTTR with fast troubleshooting. MTTR means mean time to resolution. So identify patterns across distributed systems. We can able to do it. Security analytics mainly monitoring EPC flow logs, CloudTrail, guard duty mainly for advanced threat reduction and the compliance reporting. We can able to use it. Data anomalies, network patterns, create security dashboards for SOC teams. That is SOC analyst. Security operations center teams we can able to analyze. Next one, serverless monitoring. So this Logstash is mainly for the Elastic ELK stack, mainly for monitoring everything as well. Analytics, log aggregation, serverless monitoring. So you can able to take the support of Lambda functions, API gateway requests mainly, and event-driven architecture performance also. It will visualize cold starts and execution times as well. So correlate errors across functions. So we can able to correlate the errors across functions. Application performance. It can also help you to check the application performance, implementing APM for real-time insights into the application performance, into the service dependencies and bottlenecks. Trace transaction across microservices, identify root cause of performance issues as well. Getting started with Elastic Cloud on AWS, deploying deploying the Elasticsearch on AWS is straightforward through the AWS search for Elastic Cloud, allowing you to operational in minutes rather than days. So browse AWS Marketplace, navigate to the AWS Marketplace and search for Elastic Cloud to begin the deployment process. Mainly we'll go for Elasticsearch service. Next, configuration deployment, select your desired instant type, AWS region, deployment size based on the workload requirements. Setup security, we can configure cluster security settings, network access control, and integration with AWS IAM as needed. Connect data sources, we can able to connect the data sources also. Install and configure Logstash or Beats agent to begin collecting data from the AWS resources. Build in Kibana, so you can able to access your Kibana dashboard to start creating visualization. So this connect data sources, we can able to connect your data sources mainly from Logstash or Beats only for collecting the data, and we can able to show it in the Kibana. So it will can able to access Kibana dashboard to create this visualization, alerts, reports from your data. Next, deploy faster, analyze smarter, and scale without limits. So maybe why we want to use this ELK? The main of power of ELK Elastic Stack is that Elastic Cloud on AWS mainly combines the world's leading open source search and analytics platform, which the reliability and global reach of AWS infrastructure. This powerful combination delivers accelerated time to value for search, observability, and security use cases, reduced operational complexity through expert managed infrastructure, and enterprise grade reliability with 99.95 SLAs. guarantee. So, as per the SLA service level agreements, we will have to go for that. So, seamless integration with your existing AWS investment, so we can able to combine with our see it is we can able to add this Elasticsearch or ELK stack even after uploading the data and everything as well. Okay, so as of now, we have done with all the theory parts. Now we'll go for the practical one. So like yesterday, we go and type Elasticsearch download. Come for the second one, provision Elastic products. Go there and download Elasticsearch. You click download Elasticsearch. You'll be able to see Windows download. Download it. Again, click back. You'll be able to see scroll down. You'll be able to see Logstash. Click that and click download Windows. And again, you come down to Kibana on premises. Download and Windows. You just click this button and download it. So I have already downloaded it. I'm just keeping everything in a folder. In my C drive, I create a folder called in C drive. I'm creating a folder called Elastic Stack, and in that I'm just pasting all these downloaded files of Elasticsearch, Kibana, Logstash, everything, and extract that also. I'm keeping it. Okay. Now you open a command prompt and copy this Elasticsearch bin path. So first double click this Elasticsearch. Elasticsearch bin. So copy this path. Now open command prompt. Camera system. So we just paste cd, that bin we go inside, and then we type Elasticsearch. .bat. So it will download the JDK file and it will get installed. Okay, now this is done. So now at this time we just go and type, go and type local host 9200, and the username it will ask you as Elastic. The username is Elastic because it's Elasticsearch. So give the username as Elastic. But the password we don't know. The password we don't know. So to find the password, what we have to do, we have to open another command prompt. So another command prompt. So you open another command prompt. But when you open the command prompt, you have to open this as administrator because we are going to check the password. I think I didn't open as an administrator. Let me just. Okay, let us check whether this command is working. So cd Elasticsearch bin will go for that and type Elasticsearch hyphen reset password hyphen u elastic hyphen f. Okay, since it's not the administrator account, it is not so. Let me just open the administrator account. Okay, open the command prompt as administrator. Now here we'll type cd Elasticsearch bin, and there again we'll paste the Elasticsearch reset. Okay, our other account is still running, right? Which we have already put it. It is just in the yellow state. It has to change to green state. That's why it is not coming. So mine is already done. So it has already set the password. Nowadays it's automatically setting. In case if it's not setting, we can able to use this code. Okay, it's coming, right? Okay, now it's coming. So just type y, yes. Yeah, here you can see the password, new password. So you can copy that password. Now we copy the password, and now we go type localhost 9200 elastic, and the password you have to paste the new password, the one which we copied, gm. Yes, no thanks. You'll be able to see my system number, cluster name, cluster id, version, everything. So this is what should come once your Elasticsearch is done. Now again we are going to open one more command prompt where Kibana we are going to start. For that, first to go to Kibana folder and copy the bin link. Okay, till the bin link you copy for Kibana. My command prompt is not working. I'm just checking, waiting for it to load. Again, open one more command prompt as administrator. So cd Elasticsearch Kibana bin. Now Kibana dot bat. Kibana dot bat and enter. So now only Kibana is starting. So we again in the browser we type and keep that as localhost 5601. Previously for Elasticsearch it's 9200. Here it is for Kibana 5601. So that we will type and keep it. And until this finish this Kibana it will show it as started. We have to wait. The registered task successfully it has to show. Then only we can able to use it. Okay, now Kibana is successfully registered task successfully. Now we'll go and type localhost 56001. Localhost 56001. No. Hello. இல்ல தரலடா. அது இந்த 41வது வார்டாமா. அதனால தர மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. அந்த காமிச்சது அதையும் குடும்பத்துக்கு கொண்டு வந்துட்டாங்க. அந்த காமிச்சதுல நீங்க போன அங்கெல்லாம் முடிச்சிட்டாங்க. அங்க போனா தருவாங்களா என்ன தெரியல. கேட்டு பாருங்க. எங்க இப்ப எங்க போனோம்? Yes, the page came. You are able to see that. So this password is the old one. I'm pasting a new one and logging in. So we are logging into Elasticsearch. So we can Suryans, you're able to see it. Suryans, you're able to see it. We logged into Elastic. Okay. So discover. Nothing is there. So we have done Elasticsearch, Kibana. Now we have to use the third one. Before that, we have to update all the three links of your bin files of your Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash. So all these things we have to open first. Edit environment variables. So edit the environment variables. So go to edit environment variables. Click this path file, system variables, path file, and click edit. You can able to see I have pasted Kibana bin and Elasticsearch bin, Logstash bin. Like this, you have to paste everything new, add it, and close it, and OK, and OK. Now again open one more command prompt. This one, OK. Open a new administrator command prompt. OK, new administrator command prompt. Again, same thing whatever we did, we are going to do it for Logstash. So Logstash, cd Logstash bin, again Logstash dot bat. So meanwhile, we have to create a Logstash configuration file, which we have to store it in that Elastic stack folder. Logstash dot configure. So you can able to open a VS Code. So let it get downloaded. Meanwhile, you can just come back, create a notepad called Logstash. So in the downloads page, we have Logstash here, right? Go here, and here you see configuration file where we have to mention run bin slash logstash hyphen m logstash configure. So click the configuration file here. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to mention the logstash file. So what is the logstash file means? You can able to see here the configuration file which I have pasted it. Yes, this file, this logstash file, we have to save it. We have to save it. Just input standard input output as Elasticsearch. Host is localhost 9200 and index is index for Logstash. This we have to save it in the Elasticsearch folder only outside. I mean Elastic Stack, the folder which created Elastic Stack. There we have to paste this. Okay. Surya, you're able to see that actually? No. This file we have to store it in this folder. Okay. So here you can see Logstash configuration file. This file only we have to paste it here. Meanwhile, this Logstash file has been running. It got completely run. Now open one more command prompt as administrator. So here you can able to see Elasticsearch, CD Elasticsearch. Now you paste this Logstash F Logstash configuration because this is what we have taken from here to run the configuration file. You see Logstash configuration that we mentioned and we enter. So let it run. Okay, let it get run. So we will create a new data file to execute. So for that, we create a test.txt file. So go to Elasticsearch in the data folder, just to create a file called as test.txt. There we are given some sample data. This is what we are going to implement. So test.log, test.txt, test.txt is the file is visible. So test dot file. So here you can able to see the test dot file is that this file only we are going to import it to the our Elasticsearch. From there we are going to visualize. So for that we are imported. So here you can see timing, timer, info, application starter, the data is there. So let us see how all these things work. Okay, meanwhile we have to go and change one configuration file. That is in our VS code. Maybe you can type. We have to go and create this Logstash. Go to Logstash folder, and inside that you go configuration. So the configuration file here you can see this configuration file. We have to edit it. You see here in the configuration file we have to set the path and password. So input file elastic stack stash data. Just now we paste on the test.txt that file. Start position begin null. All these things will be there itself. Don't want to do anything. Just here you have to give the index name as test logs and elastic username. Password is the one which we have got na, the new one. This one you copy and you paste it here. So this is how you see the next files and all we'll be using it, right? I'll show you. You see the next files. I told you like we can able to take some data set and we can able to use it. For that we can able to use this. Okay, first one this one alone. First you just to change it and saved it. Now saved. Test.txt is already there in the data, and that is going to take it and with now and it's going to launch it on the EC2, sorry, Elasticsearch. Now save this and close it. So this Elasticsearch is done. Now open one more command prompt. One more command prompt. Command prompt is not opening. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll create one more file called test.config in your folder and keep it ready. Same log file only. Logstash.configuration file. Logstash.configuration file. This command prompt is not opening. So my system is not showing the command prompt. I'll just log off and log in again. Okay. Okay, Suryans. My system command prompt is not working. I'll log off and log in again. Okay. No, no, no. Work. It will work. We came to the end now. We are in the end version only. Few more steps only there. Okay. Oh, it's not long. It's not logging in. I had to restart only. I think so. I'll just